Hi there everyone, welcome to Chill and Trade TV. And if you're new to this channel, welcome to you too. So in this week's video, we'll be taking a look at Gbpusd and also doing a top-down analysis on just give me a few seconds, on Euro AUD. So these are the two pairs that I've been looking at or want to look at for the coming week, because I do see that they have possible trading opportunities. So it's GBP USD and Euro AUD. So if you want to trade with a FSC regulated broker, click in the link in the description down below. And also, if you want to find out what exactly is an FSC regulated broker, just go back in the channel and you will see a detailed video on that. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into today's analysis. Okay, let's start from the daily daily time frame. So GBP USD is probably gonna be very simple, nothing hectic, because I did do a detailed analysis video on this. So now we're just checking out the current market move so that we can catch the setups for the coming week or two. So our focus, ladies and gentlemen, is right here. Our focus is right here, because this seems to be, might be a completed price action, or might be forming a pattern. So I'll just show you what I see. I just show you what I see first. I'll just show you what I see first. Let me just get through this. Okay. So since I did say that this might be a possible, maybe bigger pattern right here, because we have a push up. Price did price gave us this strong push up, and this might be a pattern, as well. So what I will do right here is, we only have the first highs, like this. So possibly I'm possibly anticipating that price go down further like this. Oh, sorry about that. Let's continue. As I said, I do anticipate that price might further go down like this, and maybe just, you know, give us something like this. Let me remove this. So might wait for price to go down here. It's gonna give us the first touch, second touch, and then the third touch. And then from there, we'll look for a push up to the upside, because this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. And because we are on the daily time frame, I do think that there is trading opportunity to the downside here. So let me go to the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame. Okay. So since we did identify that we're looking for this push down, remember that this is the first setup I am anticipating. So let me just get rid of these drawings quickly so that we have a nice clean chart and focus on that push to the downside. Okay. So let's continue, ladies and gentlemen. Let's continue. So for this push to the downside, basically basically going to be looking for these kind of things, continuation patterns to the downside. And you all know enter at the break, and then enter at the break all the way until this low, all the way until the third touch. First touch, second touch, and third touch, all the way until here. So this is possibly the first setup I see. This is possibly the first setup I do see, ladies and gentlemen. So for my second setup, um, this is also a possibility. This is also a possibility. Let me just get rid of this, remove this quickly, remove this. So for my second setup, what I do see is that, hmm, okay, I think let's just stay on the 4 hour time frame. Let's just stay on the 4 hour time frame. I do see that there is a pattern here or corrective structure here because price did push up and I'm anticipating this push up to continue again, to continue again, to continue again. So let's just identify all this happening here. Let's just identify properly all this that is happening here. If you're new to the channel, I hope you are enjoying this analysis so far and seeing what I see. So we're just gonna do this from this low, from this low, then our focus is gonna be here. So this all this all will depend how the market plays out. If the market does push, invalidate this move right here and does push down and gives you that continuation pattern from the first setup, then you know which setup you are most likely to get or opportunities. So let's just continue this. Join those highs there, join those highs there, and join these lows here. And join those lows there. So as you can see, I am going to wait for price to push, break, maybe give me a retest, and then enter, or push up, break, and a continuation pattern. So either a retest or a continuation pattern to the upside. Then I will enter this move. I will enter this move. I will enter this move, ladies and gentlemen. So I hope you guys see what I see. Remember, we might have different trading strategies or different ways we analyze the market, but as long as we get the directions the same, then I think we are all good to go. We are all good to go. So that's it for GBP USD. These are the two possibilities I am anticipating for the coming week or coming weeks. Just going to keep an eye on this pair and just let the market play out. So now let's move on to Euro AUD. AUD. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so with Euro AUD, let me go to the daily and see what is happening. What is happening here? What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? So with Euro AUD, ladies and gentlemen, I just identify this high and this low. because it looks a bit confusing, a bit choppy. Let me go to the weekly and see if we can get clear structure or um okay. It's a bit choppy for me, so I'm just going to focus on those highs and lows. Between those highs and lows I identified. Let me go back to the daily. We're just gonna focus between this because as you can see, price pushed down, price gave us a double bottom, which is a reversal pattern to the upside. Double bottom, and here is the neckline. Let me just do this, and remember this is just on the daily time frame, so we'll move on to the 4-hour time frame and look for those setups or opportunities. Okay, price broke, retested. Now it's continuing to the upside. However, seems to be giving us a pattern here. A pattern here. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. Let me just zoom out so that okay. Our analysis is still intact. Okay, so like I said, we're looking for pushes to the upside. Pushes to the upside. What I do see here is one of my continuation patterns as well. See, and if you paid attention to the previous analysis, this is somewhat the pattern I'm looking for. Price broke, gave us a retest, and then continued to the upside. So you can just note that. You can just note that. So as well here, let's just join these highs there. Those highs there, and join these lows. See, probably the same patterns. The same patterns. They always play out the same way. So what I'm looking for is simply a breakout, a retest, and then continuation to the upside, or the same breakout, the continuation pattern, and a breakout to the upside of that pattern for my entries. For my entries, and my targets will be I am targeting this high. Let me go back to the daily so that we can see everything properly. So my targets should be all the way until this high, all the way until that high, ladies and gentlemen. So the focus is just between this low and that high. Nothing hectic, just simple price action using patterns. So that's it from me. I hope you guys have a profitable trading week next week. And let's keep pushing, guys. Let's keep pushing. Until the next video, this is Talent Trade TV. Peace.